it's Tom from Tom's Tunes. Do you have a cutout in front of your engine like this on your pontoon boat, and you want to make it look nice and clean using the deck trim from PontoonStuff.com? I'm going to show you how to make this on your boat real quick. I'm first going to run my back trim piece all the way to about 2 inches short of my cutout in front of the motor. Then I'm going to take a piece of deck trim that's a little long, and I'm gonna put my 45-degree cut in. You may have a little bit different angle. You'll have to tweak that depending on your cutout. This happens to be a 45, makes it nice and simple. When I get that cut, I'm gonna go ahead and line it up with the piece of trim that I've already installed across the back of the deck or across the front of the cutout. That also has a 45-degree cut. This, once I line everything up and I like how it sits, I'll cut the excess off so that it lines up with this back trim piece. Then I'm going to take my corner cap. We're going to install that. That helps hold everything in place. I can line up my corner so that everything's nice and square. Put a heavy stainless screw in there gently. And then a nut and washer on the corner cap. And we can add additional screws or bolts to the rest of the deck trim. That's how I go ahead and make my cutouts to finish up nice and clean.